This is Tecno Spark 20 Pro, and in this video I will show how you can run the initial system setup procedure on this device. So to begin here, you'll need to select the language that you want to have your system in. I'll go with the English United States version. Then select your country/region. Here, optionally, you can install the SIM card, or you will be able to do that later on at any given point, so we'll skip this step for now. Here you can connect yourself to the Wi-Fi or, well, continue the setup offline. I will actually set up the internet connection just to show you how to manage the online setup process. Here you'll need to read and accept the terms of use and privacy policy here. Optionally, you can join or not join the user experience improvement program, or, well, enable and disable all those personalizations here. So once all the changes you want are made, select the I have read and agreed to about terms option, and then continue. Now we will need to wait for a little bit. So in my case, something went wrong and the Wi-Fi network doesn't work, but that's fine. We can just skip this step for now and ignore it entirely. Here you decide what Google services and options you would like to accept or, well, have enabled or disabled respectively, like location scanning, the usage and diagnostic data sharing, and install updates and apps. So here, as you can see, by tapping accept, you agree all the terms, so do that. Here, optionally, you can log into your Tecno ID account or create one, but I will not do that, so you don't have to either. Here you can lock your screen with either regular password, pattern numeric, or alphanumeric, or you can enable one of the two biometrical screen lock methods, fingerprint or facial data. I'll just skip this step and leave my screen unlocked as for now. Here you can transfer data from your old phone or device, or you can skip this step and, well, set this phone up brand new or perform the clean installation. Then select what system navigation type you would like to go with, either digital buttons or gestures. I'll go with gestures myself. Here is the gesture tutorial if you'll ever need one. And now we'll need to just wait once again. So as far as I can see, the setup has been finished and we can begin using the system now. So if you have any questions left, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.